So you might be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and basically add a green screen footage or how to use a green screen on CapCut. Now to do this, it's actually pretty basic, but you would have already have had to have your green screen footage there, and you have to go through and you have to basically, bring in that footage from there at that point. So make sure you have both the green screen footage and your original footage that you want. So then what you can do is once you're in CapCut, you can go ahead and create a new project. Now you want to bring in the background videos that you want. So whatever the background videos were, you want to go ahead and bring those in. So in this case, I'll just go and bring in like these two videos, and you want to go and click on add. So right now we have these two different videos, right? Now what we want to do there is after that, we want to click on this overlay option. So tap on overlay, and you want to tap on add overlay. Now when you do that, you want to go and bring in your green screen footage, basically the footage that you want on top of the video, and you want to click add. Now when you do that, you'll basically see that my overlay footage is at the bottom. Hopefully these two time up and hopefully it doesn't look like this. So then what you want to do here is you want to go ahead and basically tap onto your overlay footage, which is right here. So tap right here. Now you can also click on the remove background option to remove BG if the chroma key option is not there. So tap on there, and then it will allow you to go ahead and basically use this chroma key right here. So tap on chroma key, and you can choose exactly what you want to go ahead and keep. So let's say I want to go and keep this. I can tap on that. I can change the intensity. I can go and click on OK. Now it's going to do its best to basically remove the background. So again, you want to mess around with it. In this case, it's not a good example, but you can kind of use it. So it'll remove that green screen. Then you can go ahead and move your video to wherever you want to. Let's say you want it at the bottom. So then hopefully your green screen will go ahead and remove. You will see whatever you want to at the bottom. And that's basically that. So again, this is a bad example, but that's kind of the way you can kind of do it. So that's pretty much how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.